Okay, let's see how this drone does. One thing, the ESCs, I wish I could have got Holly Bro or Hobby King ESC 6 amp ESCs, but the problem is they're out of stock. I don't know if they'll make them anymore, so I had to go with these cheap ones, and I went through about 3 or 4 of them to find a balanced pairs. So this one kept giving me trouble. Let's see how this thing flies now. So I'm gonna turn it on and we're gonna level out. Okay, let's see if it flies. I'm getting this video. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Look at that. Oh, we gotta come down. Oh. Well, anyway, as you can see, I finally solved the problem with getting the right ESCs. I just have to learn how to fly it. Oh. Oh, I'm just afraid because I'm right here near a highway, and so, but that took care of it. That ESC on the 4th replacement of ESCs and calibration. But it sure is a little fun little drone to fly. Oh. And by the way, I got the code out of the manual, the over 300 lines of code. I took out the line numbers, and that's what I'm running, the code that I'm running on here right now. Not the one from GitHub. Well, I don't want to go towards the house. All right, tomorrow when I go out to the field over there, I'll be able to really test it, but I'm really happy with the results. Okay, over and out. Over and out. Oopa. Oh, don't want to do that. You see how dangerous that was. But this is a fun little drone. It's really neat, and finally got it to take off evenly because I got all the motors running at the same speed. And oh look, it took a little gash here, but yeah, so now I can move forward. And thanks again, Carbon Aeronautics, for sharing your gray matter. Over and out.